How to delete recent ad activity on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your ad activity from your Facebook account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen to access your settings. Now, once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down until you find the section called Your Activity. Now, from here, simply tap on Activity Log. Now, in the Activity Log, you will see all your interaction on Facebook, including ad activity. So simply tap on your Facebook activity and from the drop down menu, simply tap on add section or post section. And now here you will see the list of ads and videos you have interacted with. And to delete a specific item, just tap on the three dots next to it. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on delete. And that's it. Now you have successfully removed your ad activity from Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.